Looking for the best staple guns to get the job done right? In this video, we'll break down top performing staple guns for different needs, making your decision quick and easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful product guides. Number 1. WORKPRO 6-in-1 Manual Staple Gun. This versatile manual staple gun is an all-around workhorse that's perfect for many projects around your house, workshop, or garage. The WORKPRO 6-in-1 accepts 6 different types of staples: T50 heavy-duty D staples, narrow crown T20 staples, or JT21 light-duty staples that are 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch long, T25 rounded U staples that are 3/8 inch to 9/16 inch long, and 18-gauge brads, also called T-staples, and pins that are no longer than 5/8 inch. Should you forget, all of the accepted staple types and sizes are labeled right on the stapler handle. Also, it's easy to load this tool. Just press the red latch to release the staple magazine, which is the part that holds the loaded staples. Pull the magazine out and fill it with your desired size of staple before pushing it back in. A small window lets you easily see when it's time to reload. Number 2. Arrow Compact Electric Staple Gun. If you want an electric staple gun that can shoot as many as 60 staples per minute, look no further than the Arrow T50 ACD. This corded electric stapler takes heavy-duty T50 D-shaped staples from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch in length. The staple gun is easy to load and has a window that lets you see when staples are running low. Although compact, this staple gun has a lot of power and easily drives the staples into wood or other fairly hard materials without issue. As a safety feature, the device has an on-off button for power, but must be in contact with the material being stapled before you can depress the trigger to shoot the staple. The handle is comfortably padded and ergonomically shaped for comfort, and the stapler has an 8-foot cord, so you have enough room to maneuver while you work. Number 3. Arrow Pneumatic Staple Gun. Typical DIYers or homeowners won't need a pneumatic staple gun, which is powered by air from an air compressor. But if you need a very powerful, professional quality staple gun for big projects such as installing roofing, insulation, house wrap, flooring, or upholstery, then the Arrow PT50 is your best bet. The magazine is easy to load, and the staple gun attaches easily to the air hose connected to an air compressor capable of delivering between 60 and 100 psi. For safety, this staple gun has 2 triggers that must be depressed to shoot staples. It also has a bump feature, meaning that as long as you keep the trigger depressed, the gun will shoot a staple as soon as the front of the tool is pressed against the work surface. This allows you to work very quickly when stapling along a long stretch of material. Number 4. Arrow Heavy-Duty Hammer Tacker. A hammer tacker is a type of staple gun that doesn't have a trigger to squeeze. Instead, you strike the tool against the work surface like a hammer, and with each blow of the stapler, a staple is driven into the work surface. Hammer tackers are heavy-duty staplers used for professional and DIY purposes that require a lot of staples, but don't require those staples to be precisely or neatly driven, such as when laying carpet or another flooring, installing roofing, attaching insulation or house wrapping, or light carpentry projects. Staples are easily loaded into the magazine at the back of the tool, which can hold 2 full strips of Arrow staples at a time, reducing the frequency you have to reload. Plus, it has an anti-jam mechanism to reduce misfires and staple jams. Number 5. DEWALT Carbon Fiber Composite Staple Gun. The DEWALT DWHT 8276 is light in weight thanks to its carbon fiber composite construction, rather than the more common steel or other heavy metal. It weighs well under a pound, as compared to most other heavy-duty manual staplers that weigh between 1 and 2 pounds. Plus, its trigger is designed to be much easier to squeeze than similar tools. But this general-purpose manual staple gun is not lightweight in terms of performance. This is an ideal staple gun for general use around your home. Use it for tacking down upholstery, insulation, lightweight flooring, or any task that calls for a heavy-duty stapler. It has a metal belt clip so you can keep it right at hand when working, and there's an indicator to easily tell when it's time to reload staples.